Hello friends, I am Anubrata Sarkar. I am 11 years old and I am the developer of this app. In this video, I am going to show you how to use this app, Apidom Self Diary. So in my screen, you can see the app here. I am clicking on it. Yeah, it's opening. It will take some time. Yeah, actually I am already logged in. We click on sign out. You can see Apidom Self Journal. And here you can see why alone keep your thoughts in your own personal diary. Made by Anubrata Sarkar, 11 years in Android Studio. Get started. So here you can rate any number of stars. This is another way of rating in our app. Thanks for your rating. Yeah, then you have to enter email address. And first of all, you have to create an account from here, clicking on the create account option if we don't have any account. And actually I have my own account in this app. So I am just logging in my account and let's click on login. It's loading. Yeah, it's opening. So yeah, it will ask me to post one journal. So let's see. Let's find a suitable image for this journal. Let's say this image. Let's say the title will be New Day and the thoughts will be how beautiful. So this is basically something where you can keep your own journals. This is basically your diary, your own personal diary. It's loading. It's taking the file. It's storing it as my journal in this account, which I can use anytime, anywhere using my login credentials. Suppose if I am using it in another person's mobile, then I will just enter my login credentials, download this app, enter my login credentials, then I will also be able to see the journal in their mobile. Yeah, it's depending on the internet connection. I don't think that the internet connection is good here. It's loading. It will take some time. Let me tell you about the other features of this app. You can rate us on Google Play too, and you can also see the privacy policy by clicking on the three dots which will appear at the top right, and then you can post endless number of journals and you can view them anytime, anywhere. These are the features of this app. So let it load. It will take some time. So it's loading. Yeah, it loaded. So now these are my journals. You can see these are my journals, and it will also show you the date of creation. Like this was 6 days ago, this was 3 days ago, this was 1 hour ago. So from clicking on this plus icon, you can add your own journal again, and clicking on the rate us, you can rate us on Google Play. Clicking on privacy policy, you will be able to see our privacy policy, and clicking on sign out, you will be signed out. Suppose now I am logged in. Let me close this app and let me see. If I click on this Apidom Self Diary again, it's loading, it's opening. You see, it's taking directly to the dashboard of our account. So that is how this app works. I hope you will enjoy this app after downloading. Please go through the description. Please read the privacy policy page, and thank you.